Hi children, today we begin the grammar class and the title of your grammar book is Grammar Way and the publication is Macmillan Education. So you can see this is of standard 6 where we will be studying about the grammar. I have taught you in the previous class, that means when you were in standard 5, when we talk to the people, we talk to the people in persons. For that matter, any language, whether be in Odia or whether be in Hindi, we talk in persons. So there are 3 persons in English, and these 3 persons are both are having singular number as well as plural number. And after that we have seen the number of the tenses. We speak in tenses. In any language we speak in tenses. In English also we have 3 tenses: present, past and future. And each part of the tense is divided into 4 parts. Present tense: simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. The same thing in past tense also and also in future tense. Just this I reminded you. So let us begin the first lesson, which is named as nouns. This is a part of parts of speech which you have been studying from standard 1 onwards. From there only we are learning what is noun, what is pronoun, what is adjective, what is adverb, what is preposition, what is conjunction and interjection. All these are parts of speech. So let us see, as you have learned in your previous class, what is a noun. A noun is a name of a person, place or thing. That is what we have learned in previous class. Name. Name means it's a name of a person, place or thing. Name of a person can be Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, or your own name. And name of a place: Jashipur, Baripada, Mayurbhanj, Mumbai, etc. And name of a thing: table, fan, chalk, duster, pen, etc. So here a little more thing is explained in your book. A noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal, a thing, a quality or an idea. So a noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal, a thing, a quality or an idea. So we have seen the definition of noun according to this book. So in the previous class what you have learned is a noun is a name of a person, place or thing. That is what we have seen. Now a little more thing is added, like the same thing but a little more thing is added in your class. So just we say a noun But noun is divided into so many parts. Or there are different kinds of nouns like common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun. Here we have called concrete noun and material noun. You can check in your book. So, dear children, what I have written is that a noun is the name of a person, place, an animal, a thing, a quality or an idea. And I have taught you the kinds of nouns that we have: a common noun, a proper noun, a collective noun, an abstract noun, and concrete noun and material noun. These are the different kinds of nouns that we have seen. So as your homework, I gave you the name of a person, place or thing is called noun. So try to write 5 names of a place, 5 names of persons, 5 names of thing as your homework. So please write it in your homework copy, and when you come, please bring when the class reopens. Thank you.